everyone, I'm Eni Edrie, a Mesin engineering student for the second term with a passion for public speaking. I believe engineering is not just about formula and machine, but it's also about how we communicate complex ideas in a way that's engaging and easy to understand. I want to bridge the gap between engineering and communication, whether it's explaining about mechanical concept, public in speaking, or sharing insight about technology. My goal is to make technical knowledge more accessible for everyone. As an engineering student, I'm used to analyzing and solving problems, but on the other hand, I love to public speaking, discussing ideas, or building connection through the communication. So that's why I'm a part of journalism team in my campus. I believe a great engineer also needs speaking skills to present their ideas clearly. I'm a mix of logic and communication. To me, engineering and communication is not opposite, but they are complete each other. I love reading books, especially about technology, public speaking, or self-development. I also learn several languages such as Mandarin, Spanish, or German. If you want to talk or sharing with me about technology or about engineering, or maybe just want to talk with me, reach me at Eni Edrie in Instagram, or you can send me email eniedrie@gmail.com. Let's talk and innovative. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for watching.